Hello folks, welcome back to my channel Rides with Richie. I hope you're safe and well today. My name is Richie D'Souza and I make a few videos about motorcycles, motorcycle travel, accessories and maintenance. This is my 2005 Honda VFR800 and as it is, I have a fused bulb. If I switch on the motorcycle and show you, the left hand side bulb is fused. So I'm going to replace it now and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So in different forums I checked, some people say that you can use H4 bulb or H7 bulb, but according to the factory manual it is only H7 bulb for high beam as well as low beam on the VFR800. This is the 6th gen and the model year is 2005 if you are wondering. So I bought this cheap H7 bulb for the Volkswagen Golf and I had one of them left over. Hence I'll be replacing the fused bulb with this H7 bulb right now and I'll show you how to do it. So when you're on the left hand side of the bike, turn the handle towards the right hand side to gain an access to the bulb which is below over here in this place. I'll try to zoom it in there. Over here behind this panel, this is the high beam and in the bottom this is the low beam. So to gain an access and to change the bulb, what we have to do, I'll try to keep the camera over here so that I don't lose focus. Yep. So what we have to do first is we have to take out this particular tab and disconnect the connection from the electrical circuit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my hand in there and then do that first. Yep. And as you can see that where is it? This particular tab is released. I just pulled it out. And then we have to pull the dust cover off using this small tab which is in here. Let me just try to focus again. Yeah, we have to pull this small tab which is over here. So I'm going to put my hand in there and I'm going to pull the tab. And there comes the dust cover. So the next step is moving this particular retaining pin from the retaining clamp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hand in there, just give it a quick push and then push it down and the bulb comes out. And there we go. So this is the bulb which was taken out. The filament on the left hand side is broken and looks like it's smoked up a little bit. Alright, time to replace with the new one. So this tab will go back onto the bike, so we need to just take the bulb out from this. This is a brand new bulb. It's always advised not to touch the glass part of the bulb. So I'm going to slot it into this one. It's a bit tight. Yeah, and when you're going to place it back into the housing, it goes like this. You can clearly see how this particular tab and this tab, it goes straight away and it gets slotted into the slot. So now the struggle begins once again. I don't know if I will be able to do it without dropping the camera. It is so difficult to do it with the camera in one hand. Looks like the bulb is slotted in there. Now I have to put the retaining clamp over it. So the cage of the retaining clamp has to go around the bulb and then you just push that into the slot. As you can see, I have managed to put the clamp behind the bulb holder and it's pretty stable. Now I'm going to put this dust cover on. With the camera, I think it will be impossible for me to put it back on. I'll leave the camera aside and I'll get it done as soon as possible. It was a bit of a struggle to put that dust cover back on because of the location of how it is. So right now, only thing what is left to do is just to put the electrical connection which is right here. It's very simple. It goes into the bulb straight away. There is no problem whatsoever. So this is the one. So I'll have to just plug it back in and then switch on the bike and check if it is working. So let me just plug it in. With the camera, everything is so difficult. So guys, that's it. I've connected the electrical plug back on. It's the moment of truth to switch on the bike and see if it lights. Yes, that's done. I don't know why the blinker is on, but yeah. So that's done there. So folks, I hope that video was helpful to you. I couldn't make a proper clear shot of it because of the fact that this camera is big and I couldn't get the angle, and my hands are big as well, so I couldn't get in there. However, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you. Please do not forget to leave me a comment, like, and to subscribe to my channel for future videos like this. Thank you very much. Be safe and see you around soon. Take care. Bye bye.